For more than 20 years, the internet worked the same way. You had a question. You opened a search engine. You typed a few words and clicked through a list of blue links. That system built one of the most powerful companies in history, Google. But something is changing right now. People are slowly starting to search less, not because they need less information, but because a new type of technology is replacing the entire process. Personal AI agents. And if this shift continues, the way we use the internet could change forever. To understand why, we need to look at what search engines became. Originally, they were simple. They helped you find information across the web. But over time, things changed. Websites started optimizing their pages just to appear higher in results. This created an entire industry called search engine optimization. Search results slowly stopped showing the best answers. They started showing the most optimized pages. Today, when you search online, you often get ads, affiliate pages, and SEO articles that don't answer your question directly. You click one link, then another, and still, you don't get what you want. Search stopped feeling like a tool and started feeling like a maze. Now imagine something different. Instead of searching, you simply tell an AI what you want, not keywords, an actual goal. For example, find me the cheapest flight to Tokyo next month, leaving after work hours. Instead of showing websites, the AI checks databases, compares options, and makes a decision for you. No searching, no scrolling, no clicking, just results. This is what personal AI agents do. They don't help you find information. They execute your intent. They read websites, use APIs, analyze data, and return answers in seconds. The AI becomes your digital operator. And this changes everything. Because if AI does the searching, you never see the search results. You never visit websites. You never see ads. For decades, the internet worked on one thing: the click. No clicks means no traffic. No traffic means no ads. So what happens to the industries built around search? Billions have been spent on SEO, content marketing, and ranking strategies. But AI agents don't care about rankings. They care about usefulness. They want structured, accurate, reliable data, not keyword-stuffed articles. Some experts now call this shift optimization for agents instead of search engines. But the bigger change is even more important. These agents don't just use public data. They can also access your personal data, your habits, your calendar, your preferences, your routines. That means they can make decisions a search engine never could. Booking dinner, buying products, planning your schedule, without you even searching. In this world, the interface disappears. You don't open websites, you don't search. You just express intent. And everything else is handled for you. This is where the internet starts to change completely. From humans exploring the web to AI agents exploring it for us. The web becomes a data layer, and the AI becomes the gateway. Of course, this raises questions, because the more personal the AI becomes, the more it needs to know about you, your behavior, your goals, your life. That creates convenience, but also risk. Who controls that data? Who controls the AI? And what happens when these systems become the new gatekeepers of the internet? We are still early in this transition. Search engines are not disappearing tomorrow. But the direction is clear. We are moving from searching for information to delegating tasks to AI. And when that shift completes, the search bar may become something we no longer use at all. Because the next internet won't be built around searching. It will be built around intent and the AI agents that execute it. And if that future arrives, you may never Google anything again.